Once your account is created and 2FA activated, you will be able to create and manage your API key. Begin by logging into your Bybit account. Begin on your home page. Click on your profile icon, then select API. Now, choose Create New Key and click on System Generated API Keys. Provide a name for your API key. Under API Key Permissions, select Read/Write. In the Read/Write column, choose Orders and Positions next to Contract. Then, select Trade next to Spot and Exchange History next to Exchange. Click Submit, and a security verification process will appear. Start by entering the code you received by email. It should arrive shortly. Copy and paste the code from your Google Authenticator application or browser extension, then click on Next Step. Congratulations! Your API key has been successfully generated. You will also receive an email confirmation. Please note that your API key and API secret will only be shown once during this step, so ensure you copy and paste them into a notepad or your Cnode profile for safekeeping. Keep in mind that your API key needs to be regenerated every 3 months for security reasons. Additionally, remember that you have the option to delete or edit your API key.